So just a little daily update on Polygon then on this hourly time frame in the local area. You can see just like a lot of cryptos putting in this range in this local area over the past few days, over the past 6 or 7 days you would say. After Polygon's broke down back inside of its coiling pattern that we have seen on the charts, you can see quite clearly we've been coiling up for a long ass time. We've got that false breakout, we come back inside of the coil, retesting that support, bear market support trend line, and now really just putting in some sideways action. As you can see, we've been trying to break up here and come and fill this big gap that we formed up here after that breakdown, but right now still not quite strong enough to be breaking back above that resistance of the bear market. Just consolidating and waiting for Bitcoin to sort its shit out basically. I think with Bitcoin looking like it might be coming up over the next few weeks and heading to back to its all-time highs and beyond, we're probably going to see Polygon heading up something like this, back up through our Fibonacci levels, break out that bear market resistance and retest our 618 Fibonacci over the next month or two, as long as altcoins behave. But right now Bitcoin is obviously leading the way, and right now with a lot of chop with Bitcoin, we're still waiting to see a nice move to the upside. So